So you just got your Botox or your neurotoxin with me. We could have done Botox, Jeuveau, Dysport, Latibo, Daxxify, whichever one we decided to go with. And now I want you to remember your discharge instructions. So you just spent like quite a lot of money with me on your face, and we want to get it to last as long as possible. So how can we do that? First and foremost, do not work out for 24 hours. I always say don't sweat it out and don't push it out. So I don't want you to sweat for 24 hours. So no sauna, no hot yoga, don't get your heart rate up, and don't go to the gym and get super sweaty. That is just because we want it to activate in the muscle before you sweat it out. Other things is I don't want you to go get a facial. I don't want you to go to the chiropractor. I don't want you to do anything that's going to push on that area that we injected. So if you're lucky enough to go take a nap, just don't nap on your face. You can nap on your back. That's fine. Just don't push anything on your face. So that goes for like a hat or anything like that as well. We just don't want anything to go out of where we want it. That can cause like an eyelid droop, things like that. So just try to leave your face alone and then don't go get sweaty. Next thing, for the next 30 minutes, it'll look like you have like little bee stings on your face. Totally normal. Those will go away. Leave it alone for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then if you need to reapply makeup or sunscreen, that's totally okay. Just try to make sure and remember that you have little openings in your skin, and we don't want any bacteria to get in there, and we want to make sure that we prevent infection, okay? Besides that, if you take zinc 50 milligrams a day, it will extend the lifespan of your neurotoxin. There's a lot of studies that show, so if you want to save some money and extend the lifespan of your neurotoxin, zinc 50 milligrams a day, make sure you eat it with some food because it can hurt your belly. Other than that, it'll take 2 to 5 days. Sometimes it takes 7 to 14 days to kick in, depending on which neurotoxin you chose. And then I usually like to see you at the 2-week mark, or I will send you a text message at the 2-week mark, and I'll be like, hey girl, how's things looking? I want you to give me the truth, right? So if you have one eyebrow that's a little crazy, or if you feel a little heavy, or if there's anything that's not perfect, the only way we can figure out your specific recipe and the exact dose for you is if you give me that feedback. So don't people please me, make sure you tell me, okay? So hopefully you can come back in and we can tweak it just right and make it perfect. If you're busy, you're not able to come back in, just send me a picture and then I will know for next time. I'll make a note and say like, hey, ease up here, go heavier here, whatever, and we'll make sure it's perfect for your next appointment. So thank you so much for trusting me with your face. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.